Spirit of Marilyn calling me audibly, calling. She said that she would never leave, continue to torture me, telling me to come with her underneath my comforter. And she brought a gun with her, pills and some rum with her. Took me on the balcony, telling me to jump with her. Yeah, I'm in the ghost, but I ain't doing stunts with her. I ain't trying to be that, haters wanna see that. But I got him aggy, cause I win the cold like Gabby. She's just a girl and she's on fire.
Hotter than a fantasy, on the Alaska highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire. Feeling the catastrophe, but you know she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet on the ground, and she's not burning down. Oh, she got her head in the clouds, and she's not backing down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Looks like a girl, but she's a flame. So bright she can burn your eyes. Better look the other way. You can try, but you never forget her name. She's on top of the world. Hottest of the hottest girls say, oh, we got our feet on the ground, and we're not burning down. Oh, we got our head in the clouds, and we're not coming down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Everybody stands as she goes by, 'cause they can see the flames in her eyes. Watching while she's lighting up the night. Nobody knows that she's a lonely girl, and it's a lonely world. But she's gonna let it burn, baby, burn, baby.
Fear God, if you hear God, make the fire disappear when you fear God. Take away my fear when they interfere, God. Do you fear God? Cause I fear God. And in my backyard, that's a deer God. And that's a horse ranch. And to my core fans, keep pressing me. Do it to the death of me. X in the box, cause ain't nobody checking me.
This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Oh, 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 oh.